Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, September is approaching, meaning summer break is going to be over soon. We are all going back to college. Yes. It's more like a daily makeup, but not so much of a daily makeup. It's more like the makeup that I'll do to go to classes. Yes. Because daily makeup, I'll still go a little bit more extra. For classes, I'll tone it down. So this is my down, my simple. So if you want to see how I create this look on my face and then you know what to do, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, do whatever you need to do. You all already know the drill, so let's just get right into the video. The first item is of course primer. Now I don't use primer every day. If I'm feeling extra, then only I'll put it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna skip to the next step. And then I'm going to take the sponge from my BB cushion, then gently pat it. Bear in mind that this is a purple primer, meaning it's going to brighten up your complexion. It's great for those with dull skin. So for the next item is of course the BB cushion itself. So the reason why I like to bring BB cushion around is so much easier. You don't have to bring beauty blender, brushes, the sponge, everything is together with you. I usually drive when I go to college, so my hands will get dirty. So I don't blend the foundation or any creams with my fingers. This BB cushion sponge is antibacterial, so that is great. Now actually I'm gonna go with another layer. So it's really up to you because it's very breathable. If you want more, you can just add more. Before this, I used the Moonshot one. It's so nice, but it's so expensive too. It's like 180 and there's no refill. It's just one time off and you're done. So I'm like, my money. I'm going to go with concealer because you all have panda eyes. We are going to get a lot of assignments, so be ready. So if I have any dark spots like this one up here and some on my face, I like to conceal that part too. Then again, I'll be taking the same sponge to dab it all out. You want to make sure that you use tapping motion. You don't want to drag it. You always want to tap it. So if any one of you are wondering which year I'm in, that is a very funny question. So I'll be taking degree in accounting. Why accounting? I know, it's so common. It's so... I don't know. I feel like everyone is doing accounting. But the reason why I do accounting is because I enjoy doing maths, I enjoy doing something about critical thinking and all that. So I feel like accounting would be a great choice for me. Okay, we're done with that. So now we are going to set our face with this little guy. It's the Zero Sebum by Etude House. Now this powder is very dry. So those of you with oily skin, you may not like it. But to those of you who have oily skin, then you may like. So I'm going to set it on the T-zone first because I have a combination skin, so I get oily on the T-zone. Another option beside this is Silky Girl brand because this is very petite, very tiny. It's easy to pack that. It's not bulky as the Laura Mercier one. And then I'm going to gently pat it under my eyes because you don't want the cream to crease. So then I'm just gonna just go like that, you know, like a very quick one. This is way too much for me. Okay, so we are done with the powders. Oh my god, you guys! Actually, before I start my face with the powder, I will usually use the blusher, BB cushion blusher, and then only I'll set my face. But now that I've set my face, I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna do it. So I'm just gonna gently apply that on the apple of my cheeks. It's up to you whether you want it to look crazy, but for me, I don't know. I'll just stop whenever I want to stop. The remaining, I'll like just bring it across my nose. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. So this coming September is going to be my first year degree and I'm pretty excited, nervous too. I don't know, a lot of mixed feelings, and that is for sure. See, you don't need to bring a blusher, you need to bring a brush and then like beauty blender. It's just, you know, you can keep everything to the minimum. If you really like this, it's very hard to keep this clean, you know. You have to always wash it because you use it every day. And I know most of us are lazy to do that. So girls out there, you might want to use this, okay? Now I'm just gonna do my mascara. Hope we can excel our studies together. So now we have created the bridge of the nose. Some of you are lucky, you have a very nice nose already. You don't knit this, but for me sometimes I knit this. I don't usually bronze the outer part of my face, but those who are free hair and then you might want to get some of that bronze look on your face, I really like that. But to me, since I have my hijab to naturally contour my face, I'm gonna skip that. And also because I don't bring brush for that, I got not my bag very berat. Let's put it aside. Sometimes I like to do this as my shadow. Let's say if I don't bring bronzer blusher, and then I'll use my blusher as my eyeshadow. If you're more like a natural person, you might want to go for this color, but to those of you who want to achieve a very sweet look, then I suggest you go with your blusher color. I'm going to use the one that I always use. So I'll just pump it like this. I like to put it on the transition, and this one just the lower part of my eyelid if I were to do two colors. But if I'm only working with one color, I'll either choose this one or just this one. I'm just telling you all the options that you can do. It makes it look very cute. It makes everything look very soft and you know, few colors. It matches your blusher too. So eyeliner, of course, you have two options: pencil or the gel eyeliner. I will either use this one or this one. I won't do two. I only do a very thin eyeliner. So that is going to be as close to my lash line as possible. I don't drag it like that. That's why I do like a dot, you know, like a dot and then connect to another dot. If you don't want to go extra, then you might just want to stop right there. But if you want to go a little bit more extra, and then you can of course draw a very cute wing liner. I'm just gonna draw that real quick. See, I have a very cute wing liner like that. So yeah, nothing crazy, just very simple and simple. Now we are going to move on to the eyebrow. So I like to use eyebrow pencil because it's very quick. You just pop, 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 and you're done. Well, I made it sound so easy. So this is how I like to do my brows. I like to comb it first, and then I'll draw the bottom part first. Just follow your natural eyebrow, and then you draw one, and then connect the line together. Oh my god, I don't like this eyebrow. It's so weird. Okay, now I'm just gonna fill in real quick. I don't put that much pressure because this is a very dark eyebrow pencil. Some of you like to draw very on thick eyebrows to the compass, but for me, I just want to fill them in. It's kind of full, but not so full. Kind of flake, but not so flake. You know, it's all about that natural looking. I only fill in from the middle to the back part, and then I'm going to take the spoolie again and brush inwards. So to get some of the pigments from the middle to the front. Just brush it until you see the front part has been filled with the pigments. Just gonna brush it all through again. We are done with the eyebrow. You see, if you leave it as such and you just draw like that, it's going to look very harsh, not nice as compared to this one. It's very soft. It's well done. Like this one, it's not cute. So that's why you have to go in with this one to really smooth out the thing. I don't conceal. I don't need to make it sharp. Like I said, on flake, you can still use, but I got no time. I got no time. For the next one is of course highlight. I'll just use my Wet n Wild girl. You are so cheap. You are like 59.90 cents, and I can use you for months. If I were to bring highlight, of course I need to use my brush. So I don't use fan brush. I only use this kind of brush. So the only brush that is in my makeup bag, it's only this tiny little guy. Just take it like the usual, and then of course I want to apply it on the highest part of my cheeks. Great. So I'm just gonna apply it there. There we have it. So we have a very nice, healthy, glowing skin. So for my lips, I like to use something that is light too. I don't do dark lips because you want to look funny, you want to look emo. Some of you can look really nice without lips, but not me. I will go something that is like this kind of color. It's very bright colors. I'm going to take the Aliento. This is the Tangerine Lush. I don't bring my brush, but since it's broken, because I'm using brush to like dip it in. I'll use any lipsticks that I have. I'll just grab it and I'll just like shh, we're done. Okay, see? Yeah, just like that. See, it's very sweet, it's very nice, but this is a little bit more pink. I will usually do something that is more coral. Sometimes, if you don't want to use the blusher on top of your eyelid, you can just use the highlight on its own, and boom, you are done. And I guess we are done! Yay! I don't use falsies, you guys. I don't use falsies every day, you know. It's only in makeup videos, but on everyday, you know, I don't use lashes. This is what it looks like. So that's it, you guys. This is my final look. This is how I would do my makeup to go to classes. This is the look. So if you enjoy watching this and what else, give this video a thumbs up, and then of course I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I sound very sad. Level up. Level up. Then what am I supposed to do now? Yeah. Okay.